What? At the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Yo, franchise the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know a full effect thing. You know what's going on? When we aim up, load up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them, you know a loud explosion. I show me just a show you know, the luxurious apartment, yeah. You know what I mean? All them luxury, you know. I probably all $4 grand a month. I don't even a joke thing. You see me? Like a Ross cloth. Something where you could have pay for your fucking mortgage like. Everywhere the fuck you go, you sit outside. You can't sit outside. Every fucking way. You know, in the bathroom them. So it's a beautiful look. You know what I mean for anybody, but we're gonna go outside. Go get crazy right about now, cause you know we have to get electrified. You don't know deal with because here we are going now. We see the dude Mavado come out. Then Gaza nation. What a good thing say we did their sting. And we know we happen a sting. Him come out and go and show part. Like say people lift him up like him is a champion. Yeah, Mavado, you show the part where you run. How much time you run? Me hear them blogger there up on YouTube, you know, where claim say, you know, once a man run, you know, him lose, you know. Or that them claim, you know, once a man run, him lose. But I want to make Mavado know, say, you know, remember, you know, the Nike, the Rascal Gully Spikes did come out, you know, after him run and tear down the place, you know. I remember, you know, and the same thing him do, you know, when two local man must rush him up a cassava piece and clap up, you know. Remember what him do, you know, after things get serious, you know, remember run, you know. I know him want whap you again, him want whap you back and accompany the internet. We don't want to hear that, Mavado. Because right now, if you can't clash nobody live, we don't want to hear nothing from you. And the whole year, you have been doing nothing. But more than the come out pan DJ Kali shit. That's all. You know what I mean? And true, you see the youth them a get them glory and the hype now. You come and at show. We don't want to see that. That was from 2008. That's like a decade past. Nobody don't want to see that. What have you done lately? You know what I mean? What have you done lately? Gaza nation I just show me and show you know. The beauty of the city where you can't sleep, you know. Gaza nation, you see that big open space there out there, so. And the water that you look upon, you know. And now the ferry them still in action, you know. We are go Scotland Island and Long Island and them place there, you know. You see what I say, Gaza nation? So you don't know, say, you know. The general are going to make you know, say, you know, you care one of them, you know, life sweet and nice, you know. The only thing about Jamaica and the ghetto youth, them, you know, we don't have choices. We don't give in choices. And that fuck up most away. Them place your Gaza nation are the way how you apply yourself. You live. You see what I deal with? So if you a man who like live bossy and you like hype things, apply yourself that you can finance the condition how you live in. You see what I deal with? But not that we come for talk about. Although we are show the city. One people for know say Mavado is nothing more than a blood clot liar. You see what I deal with? And him want post up things and now post up the right and proper thing. Show with the part them where you run. You answer last man standing yet, Mavado? Do you answer last man standing yet? Nobody no want to hear that from you where you show with things are gone at decades ago, 2008. You were 2019 in our virgin. What have you done lately? That's what I want to do. What have you done lately? You have no form of credibility that right now that you should show. No form of word for nobody. After the last time, remember, a 0.0 of a second, you have to lift up from Cassava Piece and run go to Constant Spring Police Station. When the man them a clap up. And all know big trouble there out there. Because I think them still want you for question. All know you still around. What's wrong with you? You have the audacity to come out and a throw a word and a throw back picture and throw back film. The nerve of some people. Nah, for some people. Are you crazy? I want me to you, man. You don't, let me tell you something. You don't have no credibility right now for in an argument with nobody. You have too much question for answer and too much dirt for you. You want the man them rise up big gun, long gun, short gun, tall gun, fat gun, slim gun and murder you, my brother. What's wrong with you? Look how much dirt you have done for you. Come on. Don't try that. Don't try that. Don't make me stop big sound the big thing them. Don't do that, my virgin. Cause right now guns load up, you know, man. We're full of argument right about now. We know we have too much dirt for you, you know. All me have to do, you know, light the cannon, you know, aim and fire, you know, man. And a loud explosion, you know. And part of gully side tear off, you know, my virgin. Easy yourself, you know. Don't ever come out on social media and talk like say, well, you're not the boss. You want to show things for you know, my virgin. Because the last time you show off yourself about number 2 selling, I know me not hear you whisper and tell nobody, hey, what number sell mavado, son, you know? Me not hear you ask nobody that. But you see what I try for sure, no? I'm telling you something. When you not dig one hole, you know, dig 2, you know, my virgin. Remember, you come out and you show off, you know. And right now, use a man will run away from the gas up and the argument, you know. Now you see things that steam up on the internet with the youth, then you come back, but you want to whop you again. And the only way you can whop you and get local credibility is to think you can throw shit on the boss name. Yo, try challenge one of them young youth, you know, because the league there you're in the boss league right now, you know. I tell you, you know, because you have DJ Khaled behind you, you know, you still not dominate the place, you know, my virgin. So I don't want to hear nothing from you, you know. And if the MVP blogger them truthful, like how them claim them is, them tell you why you put up them post them thing there when I run, you did run. Because in a them, for them knowledge, you know, for them head, you know. If you run, you know, you already lose, you know. I remember that, you know, you run. So I don't know where you come out and I show. And if you go show that part there, the thing, no, don't do that. Show everything. We want to see everything we go on. We want to see everything we go on there. We don't want to see what your fans them do to you. We never show a Vybz Kartel fans them do to him. We never play what happened the following morning when last man standing drop. Do you answer that? You answer last man standing how long? You have the audacity boy you come and post your picture. Know what you do. I want me to you, man. I want me to you. What have you done lately? Eh? What have you done lately? I know I go take what you're doing and don't acknowledge well then. Say well then you're one of the big giant them in a dance hall, you know. But don't come with that compare shit there, you know. Run, you run. You see what I deal with, and once you run, you don't have no argument. Remember, you never stand up and face the judgment, you run. Just like what you do what you run. You see what I deal with? Remember, what was the track record? 0.0 of a fucking second. You know what I mean? Suppose you see speed picture of a foot bottom. Now you're happy again and you want to move on and understand yourself. You hear that? You can't compete with the general, no time at all. First thing, for sure you say you're on the general though in the same league. The general boss out everything will come Gaza way. What happened to the goalie squad? Huh? What happened to the goalie squad? Why? You don't have the powers or you don't have the force? You hear me tell you something, don't try to compare up yourself. Because right now, I don't even think you even have the powers them as squash man. Because I see squash man bust out him look a virgin them. I see popcorn bust out quad of them and them shit there. What have you done? What happened to the goalie squad them? Well, man, they must do follow on the back on anyone now go and carry on a suitcase and them shit there each up backstage. That ain't nothing. Man, for drop big tune. Man, for tour and I carry them own a virgin pan tour like how you see governor do. Or you see I don't want to bust out governor. And governor have him virgin them beside of him. Right now, him personal virgin them. We probably are not even diddy link them there. You know what I mean? Bust out the youth them that the youth them can help out for them personal virgin too. I want me to know. You come and thing, boy. You have a whole heap of unfinished thing for deal with, you know. So let me tell you something, and the world boss is not one of them, you know, my brethren. So try look for your main story, you know, and don't try to use the world boss to get no form of hype, nor nothing at all in a dance hall, you know. Because the last time, you know, you claim, say you challenge Popcorn and you claim you win the battle, you know, and a Popcorn get the victory, you know. Because when we look at Popcorn at the face of dance hall and one of the biggest thing in a dance hall, and Popcorn get all of the awards them and all of the hits them, you know. And the only thing you get, you know, from your supporters them that you drop big song on them, man. That ain't nothing, my virgin. Because it not show up in a dance hall. It ain't there on dance hall fucking table. Where you do it come like it's just like a friendly shit. It just happen and done. You know what I mean? It just happen and finish and nobody not remember about it. But the material evidence there for sure your Popcorn get all the award them, all the big all the hit song them, and all of the glory all over the world. And him name a ring a bigger buzz than your one right about now. So try remember. You know what I mean? And the general, the 10-star wanna represent in a full effect. And I do some go show the Gaza people where you hear some pussy and chat. Like vibes world boss say no. Life sweet. So tell a pussy say when him want deal with him badness thing him can go ahead. You know what I mean? Nobody not jealous of you know. Cause dying ain't a living people. You hear that? Me said dying ain't a living. So make a boy go on with him badness thing. We go and enjoy all of the niceness in life. You see what I deal with? Because once you live and live to the fullest. And not go on like say a 10 or 9 life you have. You know play with cause some boy life long and them careless with it. You see what I deal with? But me a real true born ghetto youth. And me learn verbally. It's impossible for have me as a man where I think about no fucking bad thing. No. A nice and sweet me want live. Where the fuck me supposed to live bad for me? I want dopey or me a ghost. So no crazy. Gaza nation don't get this thing twisted. You see what I deal with? When you hear some boy a hype, load them, make them go on and destruct themselves. You know what I mean? And we say Gaza, we wanna feel like a backbush or bumbucklad plaza. Eh? I want me to mavado. Go look for the gully squad. Go try bust out the youth them. You have a whole heap of unfinished business to deal with. You have bigger and that to deal with. Right now the world boss I work on them freedom and I think you're supposed to work on your son one. Right now you're not supposed to have an argument with nobody whatsoever. You're supposed to lay low and not try to do your best to make your son forward. So I don't know where you come out on social media and show the whole of the blood clot clash. Show the whole of it, don't show a piece. We don't want to see no piece of thing. We want to see everything. And the general, the 10-star wanna represent. And this are the city where them send us sleep people. What? Tell me how much more electrified can get no man when the 10-star one sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. Ask mavado. Watch.